Almost everyone loves a beach vacation, but some people want to do more than just veg out in the sun all day. At Away.com, we've picked 3 beach destinations for the active traveler. The Big Island of Hawaii is home to some of the most active volcanoes in the world, literally spewing adventure. The Big Island also has beaches, rolling hills, a rainforest, and 2 mountains that top out nearly 14,000 feet. With roughly 266 miles of coastline and an area twice the size of all the other Hawaiian islands put together, you could visit the Big Island for months and not get bored. Florida's Everglades National Park has nearly 100 miles of wilderness waterways that can be paddled on a week-long foray. Overnight trips in the backcountry require permits, but these campsites offer the best window into the diverse Everglades ecosystem. It's also a great area to catch some fresh or saltwater fish. Just be sure to take your bug spray. Santa Monica, California combines the beach, shopping, eating, and exercising all into one. Some 400 restaurants and nearly 500 shops are packed into the city's 8 square miles. And a 22-mile ride on the South Bay Bike Trail leads you past the Santa Monica Pier and Venice Beach, letting you experience the laid-back Cali vibe. So fill your days with fun in the sun and enjoy some adventure on your next beach vacation.